Hey guys, it's Mehran, and today I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB, create a database, and add record and retrieve records. Before I start, I should say sorry if my English language is not that good because English is not my first language. So I'm trying my best to deliver what I want to show you in a right way. But sorry if sometimes I'm making mistake and I need to correct myself, but I'll try my best. Okay, before we start, I need to show you how we can download MongoDB and how we can install it. Okay, in order to download MongoDB, you can go to this website. This is the official website for MongoDB. And okay, if you go to MongoDB, you will see this page. Then you can click here, download MongoDB. Then you can see this container here. As you can see here, MongoDB is provided for different operating systems, same as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and also Solaris. But in this video, I want to show you how to install on Windows. The version that we need is this version, 64-bit 2008 R2 Plus. But if you are using 32-bit operating system, the only option that you have here is this one. Okay, so after that, you just need to click in this big green button and download the MSI file. Okay, you don't need to register, but you can also register. I suggest you to register. You can get some good emails and newsletter from MongoDB. And also, if you want, you can subscribe for other products that are available. Okay, what I can see here is the file size is 78.8 MB, and with my internet speed, it takes 2 minutes to download. But I already downloaded, so I will cancel the download now, and I will go to my download to install the application because I already downloaded. Okay, so for you, you need to wait until the download is finished and then you will have this file. Okay, you just need to double click and it's like other application is not that difficult. Next, accept, next. Okay, click on custom. I prefer to install in root like this, like this. Okay, okay, next, install. See, it's very easy. Done. Finish. Okay. So this is what I get. Drive C, MongoDB, server, version 3, this one, and Beam. See, we have it here. So installation is damn and easy. Now, I want to show you how you can create a database. Okay. Mm, Basically, there is no wizard like, for example, SQL Server or Oracle or I don't know, Access. There is no wizard, there is no UI. There is, but for the free version, there is not any UI that you can use to create MongoDB. And actually, you don't need because it's pretty easy to work with command prompt. You can use the default command prompt that which is provided by Microsoft and all the Windows got it, or you can download this command prompt, which is very I don't know, cool or maybe It's better than Windows command prompt. I don't know, it's only my idea. Maybe for you, Windows command prompt is easier. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm using this one. You can find it on the internet. Just Google it. Okay, in order to create a database, first you need to create a folder. Okay, so I will try to create a folder in my drive cmd data. Okay, the folder is created. Let's see. Okay, should be. I don't know why I cannot say. Yeah, here. Okay, it's created. Okay, now we want to create database inside that folder. For whatever reason that I don't know, my command prompt, not even this, the original command prompt also cannot run the file if I go to the directory like this. For example, if I do this, cd mongodb, and then go to, for example, server, and then cd 303.0, and then if I want in this folder, see exactly I'm here, right? Oh, sorry, I need to go to bin. Okay, I'm here. So if I want to run, for example, MongoDB like this, mongodb.exe, and db path c data, it doesn't work. I don't know why. So I don't know, but anyway, I just need to drag and drop here. So mongo d. Okay, so you need to name the file here, and then with this command or this switch, you need to specify a directory for your database, which has I created. See, data, and just press enter. So what we can see here, we can see that the database is created, and also database is up and running. It means that the server is up and running and listening to port 27017. So it means that our database is ready. So let's see what is created inside data folder. So these files and folders are created by MongoDB. Okay, that's cool. I want to open a new command prompt here. New. The good things about this command prompt is that you can have different type of command prompt. For example, PowerShell or CMD normal, or I create PowerShell new window, and just I can have it here. See, actually the color is quite good. I like it. Okay, we can put the window here and here. Okay, now we need to connect to our server. How we can connect? Let's go back to drive C, MongoDB server, bin. Okay, we're here. We're here again. Okay. This time we need to access to MongoDB through Mongo shell. This one. For the first, we use MongoD, and for shell, for Mongo shell, which is just a command, we need to drag and drop here and then press enter. Okay, what it happened here, you can see that the connection accepted from 127.001, which is the local. So it means that we already connected to the server. Now we need to create database. Don't worry about this test. Is always like this. This is a default database, but always we can change it. So let's to change our create a new database. Use, for example, user lists, or just let name it users. Okay, switch to DB users. Now I want to discuss with you about the data structure. For those that are familiar with database, they know that database contains tables, store procedure, functions, relations, all those things. But in MongoDB, this structure is a bit different. Data are stored based on the JSON format, and JSON format are stored in collections. Collection is something like table, okay? But first thing that you need to know about MongoDB is that there is no relation. It means that you cannot use join in MongoDB, okay? You cannot use join for MongoDB. Maybe some people say, oh, which is not good, and then we are not going to use it. But I suggest you to watch the video, not just the video that I recorded, because it's very basic. You just need to study MongoDB to understand the concept of MongoDB. Okay, then later you can use it. So it's up to you. You can ignore and don't use it because there is no join and it's a bit difficult, and maybe it's a bit, or maybe it's very different with other databases. Yes, it is. It's very different, but it's quite good and it's quite useful. And I believe uh, each developer, it doesn't matter that you are developing Java, you are Microsoft programmer like I don't know, ASP.NET, VB, C Sharp, whatever. You need to know about MongoDB, that maybe it can help you. Okay, we come back again. We already create this database. Now we want to insert, but we need to create a collection. Okay, how we can db dot, after that you need to provide a name, but name could be anything. But I suggest you to put a meaningful name, not just test, something like this. Okay, I will call it user collection insert. Sorry, insert. Now I want to insert, which is, I told you, it's a JSON format. If you don't know what is JSON format, I suggest you to go to this website. Sorry, I need to write it here. W3 school dot, I think it's .com, I think, but never mind. You can just search W3 school and you can find very useful uh, tutorials there about JSON. I think even maybe MongoDB and some other stuffs are there. Okay, let's come back here and insert some records into our collection. And then name. Okay, I put my name here. Then family. Sorry, I'm a bit slow because I just changed my laptop. I'm not quite familiar with this keyboard. Okay, just excuse. Okay, then email. This is my real email address. You can always contact me through my email. Okay, just I need to press enter. See, one record inserted, and if you look at here, something happened here. See, after you insert, the database, the actual database is created. I'll show you later. Okay, let's create another. Let's insert another record. For example, Babak MongoDB. Is it really funny? It's really funny. Okay, MongoDB. I changed the name to Jason. Okay, Jason. I insert another one. Let's Node.js.mongo. I don't know why I'm using these names. Maybe because I like uh, JSON, Node, Mongo, these things. Node and JS, whatever. Okay, I already inserted 3 records. Now I want to retrieve the records. How can I do it? Again, it's pretty easy. DB user collection dot find enter. You can see 3 records. Okay, you may ask that what is this object ID? This object ID is like a GoID or GUID. I don't know what is the correct pronunciation. I call it GoID, which is created by MongoDB and assigned to each single record. Okay, later we can retrieve the records by using this object ID and other things. Okay, I don't want to talk about the object ID now. And the last query that the last command that I want to show you is just find. Okay, then you can add pretty. See the structure, the way that result came up is different. Is a bit different. It's easier to read. Okay, I'm done here. I know that it was very short and maybe you have lots of questions, and I'm sure that is not sufficient. You need to study more. You need to look at other things. I'm trying my best to upload a new video maybe tomorrow to show you how we can connect to MongoDB through Node.js and retrieve data, retrieve records, and insert record in MongoDB. And again, sorry if sometimes I couldn't explain it well. I told you that English is not my first language, and I tried my best. And oh, one thing I forgot to show you, which is if we go back to the data folder, you can see that this users, which is our database, is created here. Once we insert the first record, these files are created. I really don't have any idea what is stored there. I don't have any idea, but this is what happened here. These 2 files are created for us. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, and one more thing. This is my weblog www.codingtips.net. You can always go to this weblog. Me and my friends are working on this weblog, and I try my best to post whatever I can. You can find a few posts about Node.js, MongoDB, this thing. Sometimes I will upload video, not here, definitely. Just put a link here. I'll upload in my YouTube channel, or sometimes I'll post here. It's good to look at this weblog, and if you have any question, you can contact me through my email, which I showed you in the video, or you can just come to my weblog and post a comment there for me. Okay, thank you guys.